Number 1.
1994 Dodge Dakota, price $7,500. This truck is a true one-owner survivor with just 98,000 original miles, making it an exceptional find in today's market. Powered by the reliable 5.2L V8 Magnum engine, it runs strong and smooth, offering both power and durability. The truck comes with a clean California title and has been meticulously maintained over the years, showing no signs of mechanical issues. Equipped with cold air conditioning, it's ready to tackle the summer heat in comfort. Inside, the original radio still functions perfectly, and the gray interior remains in excellent condition. The exterior is finished in white, giving it a clean and classic look. Recently fitted with 4 brand new tires, this Dakota is ready to hit the road without needing a thing. Whether used as a dependable daily driver, a capable work truck, or a future classic, this Dodge Dakota stands out with its combination of low mileage, original ownership, and overall condition.
It's increasingly rare to find one this well preserved. Number 2.
1964 Ford F150, price $10,000, showing 94,000 miles, and comes with a clean title and full paperwork.
It's powered by a 292 Y-block V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and runs on gasoline.
The truck is 2WD with no factory AC, but the heat and blower work fine. Repainted once in the 1980s by the original owner, the blue exterior still shines.
The black interior remains clean and true to its era.
New tires have been fitted all around, and the body passes the magnet test. No bondo, solid floor pans. There are a few honest flaws: a small oil drip when hot, a non-working radio, glove box latch issues, small rust holes in the bed, and minor dents on the front grille and rear bumper.
Number 3.
1990 Ford F150, price $4,500, showing 112,000 miles on the odometer.
It features an automatic transmission, a fuel-injected 460 V8 engine, and runs and drives great.
While it's not a brand new truck, it performs well and could use a little TLC to bring out its full potential. Originally from Arizona, the truck was brought over and repainted several years ago. Thanks to its dry desert origins, it has held up well over time and shows only a small rust spot. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Included with the truck is an older pop-up camper, making it a practical choice for weekend getaways or light-duty hauling. Overall, this F150 offers a great foundation for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck with character. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F150, price $10,000, finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior. This truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It runs and drives exceptionally well, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable vintage pickup. Recent upgrades and maintenance include new rear brakes, a brand new battery, and freshly replaced U-joints. The suspension has been improved with a new sway bar and all new front bushings. Additionally, the rear main seal and oil pan lining have both been replaced, and a new exhaust manifold has been installed for better performance. A cold air intake enhances airflow to the engine, while upgraded LED headlights and 8 RGBW rock lights. Inside, the bench seat is free of rips. The dashboard and windshield are both crack-free.
Number 5.
1976 Ford F100, price $8,000. It features a full chassis swap from a Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, offering improved handling and drivability. Under the hood, it's powered by a 4.6L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a reliable and smooth daily driver. The truck is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes and a track-lock rear differential for enhanced stopping power and traction. With 130,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs strong, and everything works as it should, including the lights, gauges, and powertrain. While the air conditioning system is not currently hooked up, all components are included except for the underdash unit. It sports a striking red exterior and matching red interior, giving it a bold and cohesive appearance. This F100 comes with a clean South Carolina title and offers a unique blend of classic looks and modern upgrades, perfect for cruising or daily use.
Number 6.
1984 Ford Ranger, price $7,150. This truck is a rare find with only 57,000 original miles on the odometer. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it's powered by a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4-speed manual transmission and 2WD drivetrain. The truck has been tastefully upgraded with a lowering kit and sits on a set of Mustang wheels wrapped in quality tires. giving it a clean and sporty stance. Despite its age, it runs and drives great, a testament to the many new parts recently installed. It comes with a clean title, making it an excellent choice for collectors, classic truck enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a dependable vintage ride with low miles and character.
Number 7.
1964 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000. It has traveled approximately 145,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. It features a green exterior and a black interior, offering a timeless and rugged look that reflects its vintage charm. The truck was restored in 1996 to 1997, and although some minor rust bubbles have started to appear in a few areas, there is no major rust present.
It remains structurally solid and roadworthy.
The vehicle runs, drives, and stops as it should, making it a functional and usable classic. There is some damage to the cab, but it does not interfere with the functionality of the door, which closes and seals perfectly. The truck comes with a tag receipt and a bill of sale, which is all that is legally required to resell a 1964 vehicle in the state of Georgia.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,500. With 240,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run and drive great, showcasing the strength and reliability of Chevrolet's engineering. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 gasoline engine that delivers consistent performance, paired with a standard manual transmission that gives the driver full control behind the wheel. The truck sports a bold black exterior, matched with a clean tan interior that offers a classic, utilitarian feel. Equipped with both air conditioning and heating, it ensures comfort in all weather conditions. Whether you're looking for a tough hauler or a dependable daily driver, this Chevy 3500 proves it still has plenty of life left to give.
Number 9. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $1,299, with 184,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission, gray exterior, and a red interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by the reliable Chevy 350 V8 engine, which runs exceptionally well. The truck comes equipped with good tires, working brakes, functioning heat and air conditioning, and a nice factory stereo system, making it a practical choice for someone looking for a dependable workhorse or a project with character. While the vehicle is overall in fair condition, the transmission gears may need adjustment or linkage repair. Number 10.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,700, equipped with a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. While the truck may look a bit rough on the outside, it runs and drives great, making it ready for immediate use. It has recently received several new parts, including brand new tires, a new fuel pump, a new battery, and a new headliner, ensuring solid mechanical performance. Inside, the heat works properly, though the air conditioning is currently non-functional. The clock on the radio still works, but the radio itself does not produce sound. Additionally, the right front power window isn't working, which is likely due to a broken wire in the door hinge.
Cosmetically, the truck does show rust in both cab corners, but the rest of the body remains in good condition overall.